Welcome. In today's video, we'll walk you through the updated steps on how to post a video on Facebook. Whether you're sharing a memorable moment or promoting your content, this guide will make it simple and easy. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, head to your news feed, where you'll see the familiar text box at the top that says, "What's on your mind?" Tap on it to begin creating your post. Next, look for the option labeled Photo/Video. Tap on it, and this will open up your device's gallery or file manager. From here, choose the video you'd like to share. Take a moment to ensure it's the right one before proceeding. Once your video is selected, you'll have the option to add a caption. This step is optional, but it's a great way to give context to your video or engage your audience. Whether it's a witty line, an inspiring quote, or just a description of what's happening in the video, feel free to get creative here. Finally, when everything looks good and you're ready to share your video with the world, tap Post. Facebook will upload your video and share it with your selected audience. Depending on your internet speed and the size of the video file, this may take a few moments. And that's it. You've successfully posted a video on Facebook. Now sit back and watch as your friends and followers enjoy your content. Don't forget to engage with their reactions and comments. It's all part of the fun. Thank you for watching. If this tutorial was helpful, be sure to like this video and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using social media effectively. See you in the next one.